fought, we chained, we conjugated, we humped, never asking why. We lived, we thrived, and we survived a life nothing could defy. Don't you ever say it's just a layer of clay. The Mesozoic ended that day. It was no surprise, there were several lines of evidence, including a radio. You came in like an asteroid, exploding in the Chicxulub. KT boundary layer formed. All you ever did was wreck the world. Yeah, you killed dinosaurs. I saw you high up in the sky, and now the asteroid's on the ground. It slowly turned the earth unfroze, and now there's oxygen around. 540 MYA was the origin of predator-prey. Diversity increased the dirt. I must live or die, I must out-survive the Cambrian explosion of rock. You came in like the GOE, started multicellularity. All I wanted was to phylum, vascular plants and xylem. You came into the Burgess shell. Yeah, trilobites had soft tails. Biomineralization created fossils for the nations. You preserved bilaterians. You never meant to cause such gore. You wanted new life to begin, and evolution was the force that overrode everything. Darwin's natural selection was nowhere near perfection. I guess the best species wins. Don't you ever...
Hello everyone, today we will learn about biodiversity. This picture is the pond. It is also an ecosystem. What can you see in the picture? Yes, water, tree and grass. If you go there to observe closely, what do you think you will see? Fish in water? A marine bird flying down to catch the fish. The ant under the grass, an insect, an earthworm, a butterfly, and the other living thing. All of those I mentioned are part of the biodiversity. Biodiversity is the variety of life. It can study on three levels. The first is species diversity, the second is genetic diversity, and the third is ecological diversity. First, we look at all different species on Earth. Most people recognize biodiversity by species. Species is a group of living organisms that can interbreed, such as a dog, a cat, a fish, a fox, a rose, an apple, and even bacteria that you can't see with your eyes. Moreover, biodiversity is more than just species. Species diversity is only one part of biodiversity. The second level is genetic diversity. Genetic diversity is variation in genes that exist within a species. You know a dog, right? All dogs are part of the same species, but their genes are different. There can be a lot of variation in genes. They make a dog different in color, size, and shape. Finally, the last level of biodiversity is ecological diversity. It is diversity of ecosystem or habitat. It is the variety of ways that species interact with each other and their environment. The biodiversity makes our nature at balance, and the biodiversity gives us food, clothes, home, and medicine. The ingredient of medicine can be found in parts of some plants. We always use in some parts of biodiversity in everyday life. Earth has biodiversity, especially in equatorial area, the area that's full of forests and a lot of plants and animals, while north and south pole full of ice. These areas have appropriate climate and the other factors suitable for many living things. Thailand is the part of this area. Thus, Thailand has a lot of diversity of living things. Make us have many kinds of food year-round, but now our biodiversity is threatened by the action of people. Deforestation destroys the habitat of animals that dwell the forest. These animals can't live without the forest. As a result, our world will lose part of diversity in biodiversity. Humans is also part of biodiversity. If biodiversity changes, the way of our life will be changed too. So, save biodiversity, save our life.